Hi, thank you for visiting the janitorial channel. This is Mrs. M with the Janitorial Spot. This is a channel where cleaning industry comes to learn more about how to start, grow a cleaning company. If you haven't, please subscribe to our channel and you'll receive our videos as they come out. You'll be notified. So now let's get started. Today we're going to say Happy New Year. This is the beginning of a brand new year, 2019, and you want to get started with doing the things you need to do to start a janitorial company. So if you're interested in starting a janitorial company, make sure you write down the reason why. Write down 3 or 4 reasons why you're interested in starting a janitorial company. So that way, when the going gets tough, which it will, you can remember and visualize why you wanted to start a janitorial company to begin with. Number 2 is just setting goals in the new year. Make sure you set some business goals, some personal goals, financial and mental and physical goals. These are all ways to make sure that you're on track for your business. It's really, really important that you understand that your business is not just by itself, that it encompasses everything you do. If you're not physically feeling well, you can't run your company. If you don't have your mental state right, you can't run your company. You can't even start a company. So when you're setting your goals, make sure you put specific time frames. Make sure you write out how you're going to achieve the goal, that you're going to do this daily, weekly, and monthly. And make sure you have them someplace where you can see them on a regular basis. This is what I suggest. And write some really great business goals. Write down that you want to get 3 proposals a week, do so many appointments, but be very, very specific on what you want to do moving forward in 2019. So once again, happy 2019. If you'd like to visit us, please do so at www.thejanitorialspot.com, or you can give us a call at 1-800-601-2730, extension 106. And we specialize in starting janitorial companies. We actually have packages where we have equipment. We actually do 5 appointments for you. We set up your website. We do classes and training. All you have to do is pick up the phone or visit us on the website and actually sign up. You can also sign up on our site to be a member or to get our newsletters. If you're interested in getting our weekly newsletters, sign up. Or if you're interested in being a member to our site where you can actually download free resources, make sure you visit our website, www.thejanitorialspot, and sign up on the spot. Have a fantastic day.